Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger call indeed. So first thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this and then wait a few seconds. And after you wait a few seconds, now all what you want to do is search for Messenger like this. And now this is the app informations page. Click here on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and clear the cache. And after you finish, go back, click on data usage. This option right here, you will be enabled to manage the network access of the app. So all what you want to do is very simple. Just make sure to enable all these options here and then go back again to the app informations and go to the power usage details. And now all what you want to do here is disable the power consumption alert and enable it back again. And now restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.